Hey everyone, welcome back. So it's starting to get cool outside, so we're going to be making a chili. So I've got a chili recipe that I've been using since at least 1995. This is a little book I picked up years ago, and we are going to be making a beef roast chili. So let's get everything together that we need to get this started. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. For our beef chuck roast chili, we're going to need a beef roast, onion, bell pepper, garlic, can of diced tomatoes, beef stock, tomato paste, some chili powder, oregano, crushed red peppers, thyme, salt and pepper, red kidney beans, and cayenne pepper for kick. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to need to chop up our roast, and we're going to do this into about 1-inch size pieces. And if you want, you can also substitute ground beef in this recipe, which I've done in the past. Alright, slowly getting there. You can also probably use the stew meat in place of this as well, because basically stew meat is chuck roast anyway. So we want to get our pieces to be just about like that. So I'm going to continue chopping this up, and once I'm done with this, then we will move on to getting our vegetables ready. Alright, so now let's get our vegetables cut up. First thing we're going to do is our onion. I've got that one onion. And we're just going to give these a rough chop. Give us a couple of pieces of garlic. Nice size pieces. So. Those are some strong onions. We'll give these just a nice little chop. Put those in the bowl. Do the same thing for this one. And we're just going to give these a rough chop. Those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bowl. Same thing for this one. Put those in the bo said, we're just going to give these a rough chop. Always need to be careful around the tops on the bell pepper because I tend to lose control every now and then. And next thing you know, I'm going to cut a piece of my finger off. Alright, now that we've got everything chopped up, let's start cooking things up. So we've got some oil heating up in a large Dutch oven over about a medium-high heat. To this, we are going to add in our roast. Yep. And we'll give this a quick little stir. We're going to add in our vegetables. And we're going to just add in a little bit of salt. So we're going to cook this up for about 10-15 minutes till the vegetables become soft. Alright, so these have been going for about 10 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and add in our diced tomatoes, our beef broth, our tomato paste, then we're going to add in our seasonings. Now we're going to get this all mixed up. So now we're going to let this come back up to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and cook it on low for about 2 hours till the beef is tender. Alright, so this has been going for about an hour and a half. Let's see how our meat is. Give this a stir. Oh yeah, meat is good. Yeah. Alright, so we are good to go there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add in our beans, which have been drained. And I like to add in some sugar to cut the bitterness of the tomatoes. You can totally leave this out. So we're going to give this a good stir. And we're gonna let this cook up covered for about another 20 minutes till the beans become warm. All right, so our chili has cooked for another 20 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and get some plated up. And there we go. So we're gonna top this off with a little bit of purple onions. Just for a little bit of a bite. And then we're gonna top this off with a little cheddar cheese. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and also be nice and be kind, because it may make someone's day. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and see y'all next time.